Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to convert Google Docs file to MS Word docs. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open Chrome browser and I just have a Google Docs file over here. So this is my max third period lesson plan to me. So I just want to convert this Google Docs into Word. What I have to do here? On top you will find an option called menu bar. Just go to file menu and you will have an option called downloads. Once you click a download option, there will be a plenty of options will be available in the Google Docs. So just click Microsoft Documents, that is Word documents. So once you click means automatically it will download as a Microsoft Word document, as you see here. So I have downloaded the file. So this is the lesson plan with a Word. So within a second I can convert my file, that is Google Docs, to Word file, as you see here. Yes, I just open Word file so I can able to edit from the Word file, so I can able to easily work on that. It is a simple and easiest trick you can use, and you can download as a PDF or Word or anything else. Go to menus and file menu and just click here, means automatically you can choose according to your need and you can able to access. For example, I just open a Word file, so I just enable this option. So my Word file is ready, so I can able to edit, I can able to work for my entire things. So simple and easiest trick to use and convert your Google Docs to Word. Thanks for watching, dear friends. If you like this video, please share with your friends.